Chariot, Kunye. I'm so excited to be here with you today. We get to learn our Chunjins and our Woojins. This is a fun thing to do and we can play a lot of games from that. So we're gonna start out today figuring out what Chunjin and Woojin means. In Korean, it means slide back. So a Chunjin is to slide forward. A Woojin is to slide back. They both have the same sounds at the end, so they should be easy to remember. Chunjin, charge. Woojin, whoops. So do that with me. Ready? I want you to say that. Get your hand out. I hope you're upstanding. Let's move around. Okay, get your body moving. Who's got their knees up? All right, let's get into that safety stance, fighting stance. So here you are in your fighting stance. Chunjin means to charge forward. Woojin means to whoops, get out of the way. That means someone's coming to attack you and we don't want you to get attacked. Here we go. Ready? Chunjin, ha, Woojin, ha, Chunjin, woo, Woojin, ha. Keep doing it with me. Are you ready? Can you keep up? Ready? Light on your feet. Chunjin, Woojin, Chunjin, Woojin, Chunjin, Chunjin, Woojin, Woojin. Okay, see if you can follow it with me. We're gonna try that again. Switch feet to the other side. Are you ready? Here we go. Ready? Chunjin means to charge. Woojin means whoops, get out of the way. Here we go. Ready? Chunjin, Woojin, Chunjin, Woojin, Chunjin, Woojin, Chunjin, Chunjin, Woojin, Chunjin, Woojin, Woojin. All right, guys. I know that's tricky and you did awesome. So what you might want to do is you might want to get some dots out. I've got these out for you. This would be a fun way to check your work. So light on my feet. When I key up, I'm going to go hut, move to the next dot. When I key up again, I'm going to move back, hut. In fact, if I get another dot, and you can use pieces of paper, you can use a paper plate, okay? I'm going to go 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to start on my foot in the front. When I Woojin, I'm going to jump back to the back 2. When I Chunjin, I'm going to move up to the front 2. So watch. Woojin, Chunjin, Woojin, Chunjin, Pakwa. Oh, I don't know if you knew that one off, but that means switch sides. So let's try it again. Pakwa,